The wait is over. Galaxy S24 is here. The moment we've all been eagerly anticipating has finally arrived. Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy S24 series, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Hey everyone, it's Ronnie here from Product Valley. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest from Samsung. The moment you've all been waiting for is finally here. The crowd's reaction says it all, pure excitement and awe. Samsung just dropped their newest flagship phones, and trust me, they did not disappoint. From the sleek design to the powerful performance, these phones are set to redefine the smartphone experience. Get ready to meet the Galaxy S24 series, where innovation meets style in the most epic way possible. The design is not just about looks, it's about functionality and user experience. We're talking cutting-edge tech, stunning displays, cameras that'll blow your mind, and performance that's out of this world. The display quality is unmatched, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. I got my hands on all three models, the S24, S24 Plus, and the monster itself, the S24 Ultra. Each model offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. And let me tell you, each one brings the heat in its own way. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who just wants a reliable device, there's a Galaxy S24 for you. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to dive deep into the future of smartphones. Stay tuned as we explore every feature, every detail, and every innovation that the Galaxy S24 series has to offer. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the next generation of mobile technology. Next level smartphones. Meet the S24 family. First things first, let's meet the contenders. The Galaxy S24 series is all about pushing boundaries and redefining what a smartphone can be. Samsung really listened to its users this time, refining the design and packing in features that'll make you drool. The S24 and S24 Plus are your sleek and stylish companions, perfect for those who want top-notch performance in a pocketable package. But if you're ready to experience the absolute pinnacle of smartphone technology, the S24 Ultra is your ultimate weapon of choice. So let's jump right into the action and see what makes these phones so special. S24 Ultra, unleash the ultimate powerhouse. This is not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Let's kick things off with the big dog, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. From the moment you unbox it, you can feel the premium quality and attention to detail. This phone is an absolute beast, rocking the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It's designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Trust me, this thing flies through anything you throw at it. Whether you're juggling multiple apps, diving into intense gaming sessions, or editing high-resolution videos, the S24 Ultra handles it all without breaking a sweat. Multitasking, gaming, editing 8K videos. Piece of cake for the S24 Ultra. It's like having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand. And don't even get me started on the storage. With options that go up to a whopping 1 terabyte, you have more than enough space for all your needs. We're talking a whopping 1 terabyte of internal storage, which means you can kiss those storage full notifications goodbye. No more worrying about running out of space. Go ahead, shoot endless 4K videos, download your entire music library, and install all the apps your heart desires. The S24 Ultra can handle it all with ease. The S24 Ultra can handle it. Heavy usage is no match for this powerhouse. To top it all off, you've got a glorious 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display that's brighter and more responsive than ever before. It's a visual treat that enhances every interaction. The colors are insanely vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything feel buttery smooth. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite Netflix shows, this display is a feast for the eyes. Every detail pops, making your content come to life like never before. photography redefined 280p of pure magic. Imagine capturing every moment with such incredible detail that it feels like you're reliving it every time you look at the photo. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. This isn't just any camera, it's a game changer in the world of smartphone photography. The S24 Ultra's camera system is on another level, folks. It's designed to push the boundaries of what's possible with mobile photography. We're talking a massive 200 megapixel main sensor that captures mind-blowing detail and clarity. Every shot you take is packed with so much information that it feels almost lifelike. Seriously, you can zoom in on those photos and still see every single detail. But wait, there's more. This sensor doesn't just capture detail, it captures the essence of the moment. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing epic landscapes and group shots. Imagine fitting everyone into one frame without losing any detail. And a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens that gives you an insane 100x space zoom. This isn't just zoom, it's like having a telescope in your pocket. Yup, you heard that right. 100x space zoom means you can capture details that are miles away, as if they were right in front of you. You can zoom in on objects miles away and still get a clear shot. It's perfect for capturing those far-off moments that you never thought possible. Samsung has also stepped up its software game, making sure that every photo you take is optimized to perfection, with improved image processing and AI features that take your photos and videos to the next level. The AI can recognize scenes and adjust settings automatically to give you the best possible shot. From stunning portraits with bokeh effects to super slow-mo videos that'll make your jaw drop, the S24 Ultra has it all. Imagine capturing every detail of a moment in slow motion, making it even more memorable. The S24 Ultra's camera is a content creator's dream come true. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking photos, this camera will elevate your content to new heights. Section 5. Power up your game, performance beyond limits. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is a performance beast. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor chews through demanding games and apps without breaking a sweat. And with that buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, you'll experience mobile gaming like never before. No lag, no stutter, just pure, unadulterated performance. But all that power doesn't come at the expense of battery life. The S24 Ultra packs a massive battery that'll easily last you all day, even with heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the super fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. Section 6. S24 and S24 Plus. Compact power, big possibilities. Now let's not forget about the S24 and S24 Plus. These phones might be more compact, but they're still packed with impressive specs. You get the same blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, gorgeous AMOLED displays, and fantastic cameras. The S24 is perfect for those who prefer a smaller phone that easily fits in their pocket, while the S24 Plus offers a larger display and battery for those who consume a lot of media on the go. No matter which one you choose, you're getting a premium smartphone experience with the S24 and S24 Plus. Section 7. S Pen Your Pocket Creative Studio. Of course, we can't talk about the S24 Ultra without mentioning the iconic S Pen. This year, the S Pen is more responsive and versatile than ever before, making it the ultimate tool for productivity and creativity. Take notes, sketch your ideas, annotate documents, or even control your phone with air gestures. The S Pen is your secret weapon for unlocking the full potential of the S24 Ultra. It's like having a magic wand that turns your phone into a digital canvas. Section 8. The verdict: which Galaxy S24 is your perfect match? So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is officially here, and it's clear that Samsung is not messing around. from the powerhouse S24 Ultra to the more compact but equally impressive S24 and S24 Plus. There's a Galaxy phone for everyone. Which one will you go for? The ultimate power of the S24 Ultra, the sleek portability of the S24, or the perfect balance of the S24 Plus? Let me know in the comments below. Section 9. Join the Galaxy. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest and greatest gadgets. Until next time, stay techy.